I mean, everybody loves water. I mean, there's something really quite special about a water feature. People love the sound, they love to look at it. It adds something to the naturescape that you just don't get otherwise.
Every year we install about 100 Kasco Fountains. When we work with our customers, we have to sell a product and stand behind it. And Kasco always stands behind their products, from the sales, the warranty, and the repairs. The feedback we get from our customers is great. They love Kasco products. They love the fact that with the Decorative series, you can have multiple nozzles interchange. It just comes part of the package. The panels are very easy and friendly to use for your average homeowner.
The golf course was built in 1974. We're getting close to our 50th year, and for the past 30 years or so, we've had Kasco Fountains in this pond. One of the things that's real important is uptime. Anytime you're buying a piece of capital equipment, you don't want to have to be maintaining it constantly. This particular fountain, we put it in the spring and we take it out in the fall. That's all we do with it. I've been in this business, over 30 years, and over time you discover what works and what equipment makers kind of rise to the top in terms of dependability, and Kasco Fountains is one of those brands that they're just very dependable, and there's nothing else like it.